Welcome back to Green's Garage, and today I'm working on my 1964 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, and we're going to be working on the tail lights, making sure that they're good, maybe clean the lenses up, make sure the bulbs are good, make sure there's no corrosion in there or anything like that. And yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video of how to do it. There's a lot of little screws in it. I've already done the other side, but we're going to try this side now and maybe take you along for the ride here. So if you have a 1964 Cadillac, this is how you get the taillights apart. All right, so to do the taillights in your 64 Cadillac, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, pretty simple. And then just a light bulbs. The light bulbs used in the Cadillacs and a lot of older GM cars are 1157 is the part number. I got these from Napa today. And what that is just a light bulb that has basically two little knobs on it. One's higher than the other on both sides of this to go into the socket and lock itself in. That's the big thing about it. And that's what we're going to be using today to do this. So to get this done, we just have a Phillips screwdriver again. And this car has just a bunch of little screws inside of it to get this out so we can get it cleaned. And we're going to give that a shot really quick. So let's start out by removing the outer screws, and then we'll work our way into it here and see if we can get it apart. All right, here we go. Now I'm kind of laying the screws out in order as I take them out, put them together where you can find them so you don't lose them. And this has kind of a tricky setup. There's a middle piece here that has to come out before the lens does. This big lens from here to here is all one lens. So this is what you need to look at when you're taking this apart. So there's some screws I found at the bottom of this middle piece, and that's gonna help us take out the center section. So they're right underneath the bottom here. Let's take a look at it. Yep, so we got them. Here we go. All right, there we go. And as you're gonna see in a second, I'll be able to take out a couple lenses. There's one, needs cleaned really bad. And then there's two more screws underneath that lens. So there's two more in here, and I'm gonna take these out. Again, you have to do this to get out the big lenses. And the big lens is actually one big piece on this car. So we've got that one. Okay. That one. Now we get out the center section. There we go. This is the center section. It does need cleaned really bad, so we'll be doing that in a few minutes. Now there's two more in here that hold the rest of the lens in. So we'll get those. There's two more. We'll get those. Okay. Looking good. Okay, make sure you get them out without losing them. Okay, it comes out a little bracket here. This little bracket holds all these pieces together. And then we should be able to kind of pull on this and not break it. There we go. Okay, lots of dirt in there, lots of dust. As you can see, this is one big piece. Now you can buy these reproduction on Caddy Daddy, but my original ones are still really good. They're not all cracked up. I could even polish these out if I wanted to, but man, they look good right now. So I'm gonna leave them like that. So we're looking inside here. It looks like there's not a lot of corrosion or anything. I do see a bulb that's burned out. This has got some other center pieces here. There's a bunch of dirt down here in the bottom. But let's come on in here really quick. I'm gonna reposition you and we'll see what it looks like here. So now that we're in here, we're just looking at this plate right here. This plate right here has, when you take it out, has a glass piece and a red piece to make it light up red for the brake lights and the backup lights back here. So I'm gonna take that section out really quick. Let me put you back over here real fast. Let's see if I can get you back around to where we want you. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna take out these center two to try to get this out. I wanna make sure that's all cleaned up and use some spray away on it or Windex or whatever just to clean these lenses out. This is kind of an interesting setup. I'll show you here in a second. So we've got the light bulb in here, of course. But when you take it out, you've got a couple pieces. You've got this glass piece, and it only goes in one way. So I'm gonna sit down on a towel I have laid out. And then we have a big red piece, and this is what makes your taillights light up red. It's kind of interesting. Instead of having a big red lens, they just made a little section in the middle here that's red. Now I'm looking in here, it looks like our light bulbs are okay. One is burned out for sure, but we'll be hitting that in a few minutes. But other than that, it's really, really clean. You can look down inside of here, and we've just got the one light bulb on here now, right here. And then we also have one way down here. And we also have another one right down in the middle here. So we're gonna replace that one. It's burned out big time. It doesn't look all corroded. My other side was a little corroded, so I did add a little paint to it. But this side looks really, really good. And I think what we'll do now is just pause, and we'll go in and clean everything in the house, and then we'll be right back to do the reassembly and put in a new light bulb. And then that should be good on this side. All right, I'll be back. Okay, now I'm gonna reassemble the taillight, just reverse order of what you did. I usually lay out the screws and things in order of the way I took them out. So I usually go left to right. And then when I go back to put it together again, I just go right to left, and it lines everything up and gives me exactly where things go without any issues. So now it's time to put it back together. We'll reassemble it just the opposite way how we took it apart. So we've got the centerpiece here. I've got the wires and everything going the right way. The first thing that has to go in is this red piece. Again, they made this red piece because they didn't make the taillight lens red, which is kind of odd. You see this upper one on the Cadillac? This is part of the brake light and the turn signal. This is brake light and backup light, is what this big unit is. So anyway, the red piece here, it's gonna go in before anything else. So we'll slide that back into where it goes. Not much to it. Just be gentle, because I don't know if you could ever get any of this again. Luckily for me, there's a wrecking yard nearby that has about, I don't know, probably 7 or 8 Cadillacs and a couple 63, 64, so I might luck out. But we really don't want to break anything, so be gentle when you put it back in. Remember, this is from 1964. This is the original OG stuff, so don't mess it up. So take your time. Everything goes back in the way it came out. This is nice and clean, it looks like. We'll kind of just double clean it here on the t-shirt fix. So we'll slide this back in, and the way it's shaped is the way it goes back in, and it's pretty obvious. So we'll slide that back in. They made a lot of extra parts again on this car that that didn't really have to be made, but hey, that's what it is. So let's set it back in here. Glass pieces all the way back in. Okay, wires are back where they should be. Okay, looking good, looking nice and straight. The wires are back exactly where they should go. Time for the 2 screws that hold all that unit in. So we've got our glass piece in there. I know the light bulb's good up there. It's time to put this all back together. So let's start a reassembly here. Okay, that's the first middle piece. Now it's time to start putting together the actual lens itself. Again, this is one big piece, but when you look at this, it looks like it's 2 pieces. So be careful. Don't try to pry it out of there. I almost tried to do that, but don't, because you will break this. And I know they're available on Caddy Daddy, but I'm sure they're not cheap. I haven't looked at the price yet. So anyway, let's take a look here. Get this all lined back up. Get all this garbage out of here that's in here. And we'll line this back up. Get all the wires out of my way. There we go. The seal. Okay, looking good. Now we're gonna take the brackets and get all the brackets back in. So here's the middle bracket that holds all of the centerpieces in here. So we'll reassemble that really quick. Let's see which way it's got to go. Everything so far that I've taken off has been kind of slotted, or has little knobs to tell you where to put it back. So if you did pause for a day and you didn't know where you're at, this is a good way to make sure you're on the right spot here. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. Now next, we just have to insert this bracket here that has basically reflectors in it. There's 2 reflectors. So we'll put the middle one back in. I did polish this up a little bit just to help it look a little better. So let's get that slid in there. Okay, so we got one piece in. Now it's time to get this lined up. And some of the stuff you have to put in before you can do anything else, because it's just the way it slides in from the side, and you can't do it with this in the way. So we'll go back here. We'll add these 2 screws that we're looking at. Again, take your time, see where you're at, what you're doing. Just work your way backwards. You don't want to tighten all this stuff down very much. Not very hard. Okay, we're looking good. All right. Okay, now we have this little plate that goes in. This one's kind of broken, but it still is held in there pretty well because of the way it sits down into this tray. So we have to kind of sit it down in there. Let's look at which way it's got to go. This is kind of a weird, like I said, it's kind of a weird setup. Oh, I just got it backwards. Whoever thought of this awesome idea didn't really do the greatest job here. There we go. It's got to be smarter than the taillight. All right. Okay, we got small little screws for this. Okay, beat me up a little bit here. Here we go. Okay, again, don't tighten them down very much. You will break them. Okay, then we just have 2 longer screws here for the bottom of the taillight. And then 1 at the top. Okay, that's the final assembly of a 1964 Cadillac taillight. Checking the bulbs, make sure it's all cleaned out, give it a good wash, and then reassembly. All right, next little spot here will show you guys what it looks like lit up. All right. So it turned out really good, nice and clean, much better than it was. You might even take yours apart just to clean the bulbs, like take a damp rag and clean all the bulbs off if you haven't. They do get dusty in there, and you know, maybe it'll make it look brighter at night, make it look better. So anyway, this is how you do a 1964 Cadillac taillight, and how you take it apart, reassemble it, and check it for, make sure it's working. All right, well, thanks for watching Green's Garage, and next time we're gonna be kind of looking at the engine compartment. The engine compartment has been kind of gone through. I kind of didn't do it quite the way I wanted to, but I'll show you guys the finished product here, and then take you on the first test drive of this 1964 Cadillac. Original owner, awesome car, and we'll see how she runs. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.